We'll guide you through how to create Figma libraries, which is a great way to keep your design elements organized and easily accessible across projects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma on your desktop and go to the project where you want to create a library. You'll want to make sure that your design elements, like components and styles, are all ready to be added to the library. Once you're in your project, head to the Assets panel on the left side. This is where all your components and styles will be centralized. Look for the option that says Inside the Book icon in the top right corner of the Assets panel. Click on this and a window will pop up showing all the components and styles that are ready to be published. It's important to make sure that everything you want included in your library is selected here. After you've confirmed your selections, click on the Publish button at the bottom of the window. Now your components and styles are part of a shared library. To make this library available to other projects, go to the Figma dashboard and click on the Team Library icon, which looks like a little book on the left toolbar. You'll see the option to enable your newly created library for other files. Simply toggle the switch next to your library's name to make it available to other projects in your team. This means that anyone with access to your team can now use these components and styles across different designs. Remember, keeping your library updated is crucial for maintaining consistency. So whenever you add new components or make changes, make sure to publish updates to the library. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.